Question 3b. Explain the difference between partnerships and cooperative societies forms of business units. Partnerships are formed by a minimum of 2 partners, whereas cooperative societies are formed by a minimum of 10 members. In partnerships, the maximum number of partners is 20, but can be 50 for professional partnerships. Whereas in cooperative societies, there is no set maximum for the number of members to form the society. Subpartners have unlimited liabilities in partnerships, while all members have limited liabilities in cooperative societies. The day-to-day management of the partnership is left to the active partners assisted by employed, whereas the management of the cooperative society is an elected committee of 9 members who are assisted by employed professionals. Partnerships can be dissolved due to retirement or exit of a general partner, whereas the retirement or exit of a member cannot lead to the dissolution of the cooperative society. Partnerships are formed through drafting of a partnership deed, whereas cooperatives are formed through drafting of bylaws that are submitted to the commissioner of the cooperatives for consideration. In partnership, they are partners, whereas members are cooperative members. Question 4a. Explain 5 reasons for continued existence of small farms in an economy. Need for personalized services such as hair cutting makes them to thrive. Flexibility. Small-scale farms can be changed when need arises. Less capital requirement. They require relatively less capital to start and operate, unlike large farms. Ease management. Small farms are easy to manage and control compared to large farms. To keep away from rigorous legal process associated with starting of large farms. Question 4b. Outline 5 channels that can be appropriate for the distribution of exporting tea to France. The channels are local producer to foreign agent, wholesaler, retailer to foreigner. Local producer to foreign wholesaler. Then we have foreign, and then foreign consumer. We have local producer, then to foreign manufacturer representative, foreign wholesale, foreign retailer, and foreign consumer. Local producer, foreign wholesaler, foreign consumer. Local producer, foreign retailer, foreign consumer. Local producer, foreign consumer. Question 5a. Explain 5 reasons for government involvement in business. To attract foreign investment by initiating major business projects. To prevent foreign dominance of the economy by investing in areas where the locals are not able to. To provide goods and services which are too sensitive to be left in the hands of the private sector, for example, firearms. To provide essential goods and services in areas where private individuals and organizations are unwilling to venture due to low profits or high risks. To provide essential goods and services which private organizations are unable to provide due to initial capital required. To prevent exploitation of the public by private business persons, especially in the provision of goods and services like sugar, transport, and communication. Question 5b. Explain 5 documents sent by the buyer to the seller in home trade. Letter of inquiry, a request by the prospective buyer for information about the goods dealt in by a seller. Order, list of goods a potential seller is required to supply the buyer with. Goods received note, sent to inform the seller that goods sent have been received. Goods returned note, sent to the seller to inform him that goods have been returned. IOU is a written acknowledgement of debt. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section below. Also let me know what video you can look at next. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.